Welcome to our tutorial on how to invite friends to a collection in Facebook on PC. If you want to share your saved posts with your friends and invite them to contribute to a specific collection, this guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Step 2. From the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage, locate and click on the Saved option. This will take you to your saved items. Step 3. Click on the desired collection that you want to invite your friends to. Step 4. Within the collection, click on the Invite button. Step 5. A menu will appear. Click on Invite Friends. Step 6. Enter the names of your friends whom you want to invite to the collection. Step 7. Once you have entered the names, hit Invite, and there you have it. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using Facebook. Happy sharing and collaborating with your friends.